Hello everyone. Today, I'll be introducing you to some delicious ways to enjoy natto. There are several methods to enhance the already healthy natto and make it even more flavorful. So be sure to give them a try. 1. Eating with rice. A recommended ratio is 1 pack of natto to 1 serving of rice. Put the natto in a bowl, add rice, and mix. This allows the rice to blend deliciously with the natto. You can also add soy sauce or dashi according to your preference. 2. Using soy sauce or dashi. Drizzling a small amount of soy sauce over the natto adds a savory touch and enriches the flavor. If using dashi, opt for one made from dried fish or kombu for an even deeper taste. 3. Adding green onions and perilla leaves. Finely chop the green onions and perilla leaves, then add them to the natto. This enhances the aroma and flavor. Additionally, chopped seaweed and green onions make excellent accents. 4. Mixing with egg. Crack a raw egg into the natto, and mix well for a creamy texture. This creates a mellow taste. Please ensure the freshness of the egg when using this method. 5. Adding additional ingredients. Incorporate your favorite vegetables, e.g., cucumber, tomato, avocado, seaweed, or kimchi to alter the texture and flavor. The combination of ingredients is flexible, so customize it to your liking. These methods offer fundamental yet delicious ways to enjoy natto. However, there are endless variations to explore. Give them a try according to your taste preferences. Natto not only benefits your health, but can also be a delightful ingredient with a little creativity. How did you find these tips? If you found them helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. If you have other tasty ways to enjoy natto, feel free to share them in the comments. I'll continue to share more delicious information. So please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Until next time, see you in the next video.